rumor to bed. To those who ring the alarm that the APC is intent on a one-party state, I offer you a most personal promise. While you are alive, as a result of the panic, it rings an error. At no time in the past, nor any instance in the present, and at no future junction, shall I view the notion of one-party state as good for Nigeria. I've never attempted to alter any political party registration with INEC. Equally, my dear friends and colleagues, we cannot blame anybody seeking to bail out of a sinking ship, even without. Look at my political history. I will be the last person to advocate such a scheme. In year 2003, when the then governing party tried to sweep the nation clean of political opposition through plot and manipulation, I was the last progressive governor standing in my region. In their number, they boasted. In all their numbers, they boasted of ruling, not only governing Nigeria, for the next half century or more. Where are they? Yet, my allies had been induced into defeat. My adversary held all the man could carry. Even with all of that, they could not control my destiny. I could not control our national destiny because fate is written from the above. A greater power did not want Nigeria to become one-party state back then. Nigeria will not become such a state now. The failed effort to create a one-party state placed progressive political party forces on a trajectory to form the APC. It put me on the trajectory which had brought me before you today. I dare not such a favor to any political adversary by repeating the same mistake of political overreach. A one-party state is not in the oven, nor should it ever be. That said, we would be guilty of practice if we close our door on those who now seek to join. I sincerely welcome our members and our led by and Pastor Moreno and other national members of this respected National Assembly. You are all welcome to the progressive vote. Nobody should close the door. Political parties They be better served by examining their internal processes and affairs rather than fearfully conjuring up demons that do not exist. For me, I would not say try your best to put your house in order. I will not help you to do so either. It is indeed a pleasure to witness you in such a sorry.
On your Monday we shall stand. On your Monday we shall stand.
As former presiding officer, not the chairman of the Reconciliation Committee, not the chairman of the Reconciliation Committee.
Not today's democracy and
Yeah.
not the president has said and
Yes,
not.
yes.
With all this confinement, what does this stand for you coming from the opposition? What does it mean?
I think we must take him at his words. I mean, he spoke well, saying that he too is not for a one-party state. So we must take him at his word that he supports a multi-party. So we're all on the same page.
But does the
So
PDP buy into this?
we are. That's why we're going around and bringing everybody to come around. And they've heard it. So those of you who say they're under pressure, there's no pressure anymore. So we're all for multi-party, and everybody should go and get the house in order. As he said, it's not going to help us. So we are going to sort our own house and get our house in order. Thank you very much.
The confinement, your reaction to the confinement. Shall we proceed?
It's fine. It's part of recognizing those who have fought for this democracy. All right. Cheers. How are you?
I'm fine. Good to see you. I'm fine. I'm fine, sir. All right, thank you very much. What's your impression of this president?
Yeah, I think the president has spoken very well, and he touched each and every concern of Nigerians in terms of politics, in terms of economy, in terms of security, in terms of development. So I think the way it was done today, it has never done before, and by the way and manner the National Assembly handled this day, and also make it as a mandatory. Almost it's become year in, year out. Each and 12th June, President will come and address National Assembly Joint Session, by extension addressing the entire country, reading the development, talking about the way forward, and also bringing everyone together for a better democracy, for a better governance, and for a better Nigeria.
So he struck the right tone for this occasion?
Yes, he did. Because he actually put the points as they are, and also reminded the Nigerians the situation of where we are and what the government is doing. And it's in democratic society, even in the United States, it's used to be found, and every year, one day, where President will come to National Assembly, address the nation, and think about development and what is going to happen in the future in terms of their system and also their governance.
Thank you very much.